students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is to evaluate integration of sine of 3x multiplied by cos of 4x dx. So we will use one trigonometric identity, which is formula for sine A into cos B, correct? Because we are seeing a sine something and cos of something, correct? So we will use this formula. The formula is half of sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B, correct? So we will use this formula for our this relation. So integration of sine of 3x into cos of 4x dx will become half of sine of A plus B. Instead of A there is a 3x and instead of B there is a 4x. So 3x plus 4x plus sine of A minus B means 3x minus 4x, correct, into dx. Now this 1 by 2 we can take outside the integration, and this will become integration of sine of 3x plus 4x will become 7x plus sine of 3x minus 4x will become minus x dx, correct? So this is equals to half of integration sine of 7x, and sine of minus x is minus times sine x. So this will become minus times sine x dx, correct? Now let's integrate it. So let's integrate it. We will get half of integration of sine of 7x will become minus times cos of 7x divided by 7, and integration of minus of sine x will become minus of cos x, correct? So this will be equals to minus cos 7x divided by 14. This 2 will multiply inside, and this minus minus will become plus cos x, and this divided by 2. So this is our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.